Hello students, welcome to all. Today we will practice some MCQs that are useful for your all competitive exams. So let's start. First question is, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India after independence? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Deputy Prime Minister, that was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now look at the points. First Prime Minister and External Affairs was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First Education Minister Abul Kalam Azad. First President and Minister of Food and Agriculture, that was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Vice President Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. First Minister of Railway, that was John Mathai. First Minister of Defence, that was Sardar Baldev Singh. And first Minister of Finance, that was K. Shanmukham Chetty. You have to remember all these names. Next, which of the following is the west flowing river of India? West flowing river of India: Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri and Godavari. The right answer option A, Narmada. The west flowing rivers of India are Narmada, Tapti, Luni and Sabarmati. Now look at the point 3. Luni. Luni is an inland river and it ends in Ran of Kutch in Gujarat. And the east flowing rivers of India are Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi and Pennar and Damodar also. Now look at these points. It is a very important point, that is Ganga is the longest river in India and its length across the India is about 2525 kilometer, and Godavari is the longest river in South India, or you may call it Deccan Plateau. Next, Talcher coal mine. Talcher coal mine is situated in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and West Bengal. The right answer, Odisha. Raniganj coal mine, it is situated in West Bengal. Jhoria, Dhanbad, Bokaro, Jayanti and Godda. These all coal mines are located in Jharkhand. And Ney Valley, that is in Tamil Nadu. Jhoria is the largest coal mine of India and Jharkhand is the largest coal producing state of India. Next, Mach is the folk dance of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha and Assam. The right answer, option A, Madhya Pradesh. Important folk dances of different states: Bhangra and Gidda. Punjab, and Garba and Dandiyaras, Gujarat. Nautanki, Uttar Pradesh. Ghumar and Ginat, Rajasthan. Lavani and Tamasha, Maharashtra. Next, Purulia Chhau and Saunthali dance, West Bengal, and Bihu and Bichua. Bihu and Bichua, Assam. Urea is prepared from which gas? Ammonia, hydrogen, oxygen or nitrogen? The right answer, ammonia. The symbol of urea is CONH2 whole 2. CONH2 whole 2. This is the molecular formula of urea. Now, how urea is produced from ammonia? Ammonia reacts with carbon dioxide and produces urea. Next, what is the capital of Canada? Ottawa, Toronto, Edmonton and New York. The right answer, Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Who was the pioneer of economic nationalism? Bipin Chandra Pal, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Madan Mohan Malviya and Ramesh Chandra Dutt? The right answer option D, Ramesh Chandra Dutt. Gandhi Erowin Pact is signed in 1930, 31, 32 and 33. The right answer 1931. The pitch of a sound depends on amplitude, frequency, waveform, none of these. Pitch of the sound depends on frequency. Frequency is the right answer. The SI unit of frequency is hertz. Hertz. Now, pitch depends on frequency and loudness of the sound depends on the amplitude. Which one is known as liquid gold? Mercury, bromine, petroleum and water. The right answer is petroleum. Petroleum is also called liquid gold. Where no image is formed in the eye: retina, cornea, black spot and yellow spot. Right answer option C, black spot. And the image is formed in the retina. Image is formed in the retina, but no image is formed in the black spot of the eye. The first hormone produced by genetic engineering is estrogen, testosterone, thyroxine and insulin. The right answer, insulin. Lakshadweep is a island of volcanic island, tectonic, alluvial and coral. Lakshadweep is the coral island. Option D is the right answer. Now look at the key points. Lakshadweep is the India's smallest union territory and its capital is Kavarthi. Lakshadweep is a group of 36 islands in the Arabian Sea. On which the resistance of a conductor does not depend: the length of the conductor, the material of the conductor, the cross-sectional area of the conductor, none of this. The formula of resistance R equals to rho L by A. So resistance R depends on rho, and rho is the resistivity or coefficient of resistance of the material. So rho depends on the property of material. So R depends on the material of the conductor, length of the conductor, area of the conductor. So all these three factors, so resistance depends on all these three factors. So here the right answer is option D, none of this. None of this is the right answer. Where is White Desert located? White Desert: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Jammu and Kashmir. The right answer, Gujarat. So that's all for today.